Good evening, everybody. And I do say evening, it's just about 7 o'clock. And I'm going to make some blueberry jam because I was cleaning the fridge out today and I noticed I had enough blueberries in there because my mom gave me some and we had some left over, and I had lots of blueberries for some reason. So I'm going to get them used up before they go bad, and I'm going to make blueberry jam. So I just put a 1/4 cup of lemon juice in, and now I have my berries that I have washed and sorted through to make sure I got everything that might have been going bad or whatever out of there. Just going to turn the burner on. I'm going to get my masher, and I am going to kind of mash these along, kind of pop them a little bit as I'm warming this up, just to make this a little bit easier on myself, because I think he wants this to be a little bit, you know, some hunks of blueberries in there, but soft at the same time. Okay, so I am going to get this oh, I gotta put the pectin in. 1 second, guys. So I've got my 4 cups of blueberries. Actually, I got a little more than 4 cups in here, but it works out to 4 cups. Got my 1/4 cup of lemon juice. I was going to put in my packet of pectin, and then I have my 4 cups of sugar behind me, ready to go for when this is all up to temperature and everything is all mixed together and kind of mashed up a little bit here. I have my jars in this pot. I don't know if you can see that. I have my jars in that pot heating up, getting warmed up, and I'm just about to put my lids in some hot water. So I'll bring you guys back in just a few moments after these berries have kind of warmed up and started to muck up a little bit, and we're adding the sugar in. Okay guys, so we're up to that boil we need. I'm just going to actually turn it down just a smidgen. I'm going to get my sugar in there. Remember, this is 4 cups of sugar, 4 cups of blueberries crushed, and 4 cups of sugar, 1/4 cup lemon juice. We're going to get this stirred up, and we need to get this brought up to a rolling boil again. And yes, I'm fully aware of the fact this is the lazy way of making jam. Okay, I'm fully aware of it. I do know how to make jam the other way. Just my family prefers it this way, so I just go this way. Okay, so we got to get this back up to a rolling boil and then time it for 1 minute, which that boil should happen any moment because those berries were hot. They were steaming. Okay. The jam's going to be ready before the pot of water even gets up to a boil. Okay. Alright, so I'll bring you guys back in just a second. Okay, so we are now at that point. I can stir it, and the bubbles come right back. So we want to stir this continuously and time it for 1 minute. So I'll be right back in probably 2 minutes. Okay, did I hit the button? I think I did. Did I? Yep. Okay. So I've got my hot jars here, my hot jam. It boiled. Now we're just going to get this into the jars. 1/4 inch headspace, or in my case, as close as you can get, because I'm horrible at the headspace. Debubble, because you do have little chunks of blueberries in here, right? So you got to make sure you get that debubbled out of there. You want a piece of paper towel, and then you want to clean up the rings, because my skirt caught it. Put a lid on it. Put a ring on it. Oh, burn! Don't burn your fingers because that is hot. And into the water bath canner for 10 minutes. So I'll bring you guys back when we're done. And there we go. Ended up with 5. These aren't pints, or these are half pints. 5 half pints of blueberry jam with just a little bit left over for like a sandwich or a taste if you wanted. So there we go. Fresh blueberry jam ready for the pantry. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you again pretty soon. Bye.